This is a clean bike, man. It's revving for you guys. Oh my god. Oh man, BMW and Bren tuning. Where did we go right? Another day, another gas tank. Where are we at today? $3.60 for premium. Hopefully you guys aren't $10 like California. I don't know what they're at right now. Comment down what your gas price is right now, premium. We're at $3.60. This thing probably gonna take $10 is my guess. $10 to go on your dream bike. All this carbon. She's about to just dump it straight out that Acro. $11.84. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Get a sport mode. There we go. I got a different GoPro setting on right now, so hopefully you guys can see what I see. We're back, baby. We just got married. I married my best friend. She's got my last name. We went to Costa Rica, got married up in a little town in North Carolina on the mountains. It was absolutely beautiful. Took the ZL1, did a burnout. Gonna throw a clip right here. No agenda today other than to just ride. Oh my god. Oh, we're feeling good. Feeling good, looking good. Bike's clean. Bike's clean, happy. Tire pressure's showing good. Tire pressure's been a trip lately. Too high, too low. None of this is fabricated. I have not been on this thing in a minute. Let's go right today. We're gonna switch it up. Get lost today. This bike is a cheat code. The wedding was phenomenal. Couldn't ask for a better. Couldn't ask for a better group to be there. I hope you guys have been well. Just absolutely enjoying this thing, seeing the sun. Got to take it to Charlotte soon for a service, but other than that, we are good. The Akrapovic is absolutely destroying eardrums. And by eardrums, I mean my eardrum. And that is A-okay. Golly, this thing has 6 gears. In 4th gear, I think that was 130. You can't look down really at this thing. You just see through the windshield. I'm not even looking at the display half the time. With this bike, you're literally just tunnel visioned towards the road, and that's that. I'm not even looking at the display. A lot of times I look at the video and I still see I got a couple thousand RPMs that I can go before I shift, but it's hard to tell. It needs a lot of room too. This thing takes up a lot of pavement. But Costa Rica was amazing. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Costa Rica. Absolutely beautiful. People were amazing. The resorts were crazy. The food was phenomenal. It didn't feel real. I saw some Ducatis over there. Everyone's on bikes over there. Some Enduros, dual sports. I saw Ducati Monsters over there. A lot of motorcyclists on these crazy mountains with volcanoes and these curvy roads. It was just incredible to see. You know how like the new Ford Rangers are kind of big now? Imagine those with like snorkels. Like every truck that was newer had a snorkel. We were just off in the swamp and the rainforest. Like, man, what? Sorry, boss. I had to get this snorkel to come to work. I had to cross this river. Dilly dilly. I can full throttle forth without pissing myself, so that's good. That's a good update. That's progress. Just look at this thing. The most bougie vehicle I own. Hand warmers, cruise control, this display that looks like an iPad. I don't know if you guys have seen these before. Little hand guards. These things are sick. I actually like the look of them. Got the big old double bubble, this massive thing. I'm telling my friends, I don't really care for the look of it, but the function is amazing. You just tell when you're down here, it just glides right past your helmet. What's funny is being on this bike, I took it out yesterday, I wasn't recording. The amount of people that just let you pass because they can hear it. I need to have the lady record me while I go by so I can hear how stupid this thing sounds. And the quick shifter. This carbon though. This carbon's hitting different when it's clean. Bye-bye. Oh no, we got a cruiser. I didn't bring the gunner today. Okay, sport bike riders, you don't ruin someone else's ride. Don't get too close to them. You see what he's gonna do. He's either gonna get over for me and wave me on, or he's just gonna let me cruise with him. I don't know, but you don't get too close. I don't want to pass him. That's kind of like a disrespect. Yep, there you go. That's what we were waiting for. Now you give him a wave. I can't be a Brad and Chad on this thing, so I'm not going to floor it with him still in sight. But as soon as we take this turn, we're gone. Yep, my name's Brad and Chad, Uncle Squid. Yep. We just relax. Dude, I love this thing. My heart is so happy right now being back on this thing. Well, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Every single video, not going anywhere. Just had some life things, you know, getting married, honeymoon, work. I'm back. Taking you to the track next week. We're taking the ZL1 to Carolina Motorsports Park. Expect that video. It's going to be fire. Got the good tires. We're going to be running hot. We'll see you next time.